Bank of America online banking or mobile banking guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps and I'll simply give you some of the instructions on what you can do with Bank of America mobile banking as well as also online banking. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now of course the basic thing here is that if you'd like to use online banking you have to go to bankofamerica.com, but if you'd like to use mobile banking you can simply open up your app store and simply search for Bank of America, and now you can just go ahead and then open the app over here, and then over here you'll be able to set this type of interface. Now the very first thing is that of course I'm assuming you already have an existing bank account, because if you don't have existing bank account on Bank of America you will not be able to use online or mobile banking. First of all, if you have not yet created online banking account, you can just tap the get started option. Right over here you can see have an account and need to set up online access. You can just tap on that option over here. Once you go ahead and then set up that option, you can simply choose to enter your card or account number. You can also choose to enter your social security number and so on, and then just tap the continue option in order to register for online banking. If you already do have online banking account and you just want to log into your mobile banking, you can just tap the login option over here. Make sure to enter your user ID as well as also password, and then just tap the login option in order to successfully log in to your Bank of America mobile banking account. Just in case you happen to forget your password, right here you can see forgot ID or password. You can tap on those options respectively if you'd like to go ahead and then reset your account access as well. Once you've actually logged in, there are many things that you can do. You can activate your credit card, you can choose to make transactions, you can send or receive money through mobile banking without having to use cash or card, and those are simply some of the many powerful benefits that this application or any other mobile banking application has to offer. Hope this video helped you guys as to how you can use the Bank of America mobile banking application. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.